for a general harmonized election in Zimbabwe on the 30th of July 2018. So from today, the campaign is on. From today, individually and collectively, we campaign for ZANU-PF to give this country a resounding victory by the Revolutionary Party. We should not be afraid. We should enjoy the little parties which are making noise around the country. Who must enjoy that? If you would not enjoy the election campaign without these little parties also making noises. But we must remain united, non-violent, because the victory is ours.